Women's sports aren't a trend. We've always been here, putting in the work, winning, leading. But now it's our time to own the spotlight. It's time to hail to her. We're bringing you into the world of women's sports here in Ann Arbor. The moments that matter, the voices that lead, and the athletes that are making history in real time. We're building something that lasts and something that gives back. To the next generation of female athletes, this is for you. To learn, to be inspired, and to see what's possible when those ahead of you lead the way. Let's make women's sports louder together. This is Hail to Her.